Hello, this video will show you how to draft your decision using the shell form decision template. As you know, all judges are required to start their decision drafting using the shell form decision template. This will ensure that your decision has all the ADA required formatting. Using the shell decision template is simple. Just open your Word document to a blank screen and then go to the ribbon. As you know, the ribbon is this gray area immediately below the color bar, which on my screen is blue. On the right-hand side is the area for the deck system, which includes our pararegs and what we are going to be using today, the form decisions. Click on Form Decisions to select it. Then click on the drop-down arrow and scroll to the very last option to open your shell form decision. This will immediately generate a pop-up dialog box. We have a new option for judges who like to look for their draft decisions by their claimant's last name. You are not required to fill that out and may instead leave it blank. You do need to enter the unique ACMS case number for your document. This will generate into your header and will also be part of the autosave function, so you could find your draft later on. You will notice that the form auto-populates to the ALJ number, and you will indicate whether it's proposed or final based on your final delegation authority. I have filled this out. I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, the header now includes my unique ACMS number and my judge number and all the required components of a decision. We have programmed the shell template now so that when you hit enter or hard return, you will automatically get a line space between your paragraphs. The one exception is in the summary, where the preference is to have your issue codes immediately follow the summary text. If you have more than one paragraph, you will just need to enter the enter button or hard return twice and then start typing to get the additional paragraph. This decision has auto-saved. This ensures that you do not lose any draft work. This document will auto-save to your default file save location. You could find your default file save location under File, Options, and then on the left-hand side, Save. Under Save, you could see two handy things. One of them is auto recovery, which we recommend that you set to something very low. In my case, I set it to 1 minute. This means that no matter what document you're creating in Word, you will never lose more than, for me, 1 minute of my work. And it has an auto recover file location, which I could change by selecting Browse. For purposes of the shell decision, you'll notice that it is going to go to the default local file location. For me, my default location is Documents. Again, I could change this by selecting Browse. Okay, let's say I don't want to change it. I click OK. If I went into File Explorer, you will now see that I have my ACMS titled Decision Final file auto-saved, and I would be able to open it and continue working. Okay. Let's say I did not want to just completely freeform write this decision because, for example, I know I have a perfect model that has the most current law with the most current pararegs that I wish to add in here. All I would have to do is go to my model template. I would place the cursor at the beginning and drag it to the end of the text I want to copy. And then I would select to copy it. In my case, I use the shortcut of a right-click copy. I would then go into the shell form decision, place the cursor where I would like to paste it, and use the shortcut of Control-V or right-click paste. That's a Control-V. Just to show you right-click, you're going to paste under the letter A for the clipboard. That's the text only. There's other options here if you wanted to include formatting, like for a table. Okay. So once this text is here, you will see that I now have everything that I wanted in my file. Okay. When I go to close this decision, it'll ask me whether I want to save it or not save it. Okay, because we have a default save on it, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. You can now see if I were to open this decision that I have that decision available for me to work on. Okay, that is everything you need to know about working with the form decision, shell form decision template in the Word ribbon to create your draft decisions. Thank you.